My daughter asked me. My daughter asked me to film some sheep out in my back garden. But it seems they gone up to the top fields. I caught them late. They were here an hour or two. Well, that's all the wildlife I got now is one of the local cats. This one's quite shy, so watch him disappear. Hello, Puss. How are you? Yeah, Puss back. What are you doing up there then? Yeah. What are you looking for? Mice? Oh, yeah. But let's get any closer, Scarper. What you, Scarper? Hey, Tom. Tell he's a Tom, can you? Chubby cheeks. Chubby cheek Tom. Yeah, right. Oh, that's nice here. A couple of clouds and stuff. There's the old falling down. Well, needs a new roof. Didn't it, Puss? The sun house needs a new roof, doesn't it? What are you after? Are you after my birds again? Where's your brother, the one that comes into my house? Where is he? He's around here somewhere, no doubt. Oh, Christ, look. Yeah. Oh, no sign of the bloody things. They were in here this morning. Oh, my God. Oh, I'm down this hole. Oh, God. I'll have to film them another day. Oh, do. Well, I'm glad I got rid of these bloody trees, these triffids, Lelandii triffids. There's Croissants. I hope it turns out all right. Oh, do. See the mountains in the distance there? Oh, between the clouds. Yeah, just about to see it there. Look at that fabulous cloud. Good God, look at it. Oh, hang on. What's that? Oh, look, a red kite, is it? Oh, no. Is it? I don't know. You see it? Is it showing up? Oh, yeah. Is it the red kite or the buzzard? Anyway, so big failure. Sheep, no sheep. Look at this. All this is going up in smoke on November the 5th. Christ, what's that? Oh my God. The bloody geese, doesn't it? Oh, anyway. Is Puss gone? Oh, you're still there. Say goodbye, Puss. Oh, say goodbye, Puss. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He knows me. He was very shy. He was very shy with me at first. He seems to know who I am now. Yeah. You're looking for birds, aren't you? Oh, they're terrible, I'm telling you. There we are then. Oh, no, local crows. Looks like it'll be a nice evening. Oh, look at them. Look at them. Bloody hell. Oh, look at the state of this house. He's polishing up. Oh, look at the state of all this. I got a bloody chunk. All this has got to look at the logs. I'm going to dig those bloody tree stumps in the next couple of weeks. Oh, God. Get out the bloody digger and God knows what. Oh, bloody hell. Anyway, took the door off the shed. That needs a new roof as well. Anyway, countryside. Nice area. There we are then. All the best.